cars covered by snow. And Lara's car. And look at the road. And Michaela's playing around. Cheese! Walk, walk, walk. Is it fun? Is it fun? Yeah, very nice, eh? Very interesting. Oh, look at that. Where are you going now? Be careful. Be careful, baby. Oh, look at the road. Covered by snow. This is our house. Lara's house and our house. Hey. Neve is coming. Neve is coming. Go, go, go. Hi, Neve.
Hi. My mom's bringing her camera out.
Yeah.
I'm there. Yeah. Look at the stairs. No. No. Right? No. No.
Come on, this way, you guys.
This way.
Mama. This way. Come on. Boom. Boom.
We're bringing out Ken's new sled.
Boom. Kick the snow. Boom. Boom.
Ken's going Ken's new sled.
Huh?
Ken's new sled.
Sled.
He got a new sled.
Oh, did you get?
Ken got it. And it's big.
Yeah.
Bigger than the other one.
Oh.
Bigger than
That's
the
so
red
nice.
one that we used. Kayla, come on. Over here, come on. Kayla. Kayla's not coming.
People are all cleaning around, taking the snow off from their house. Lara. Careful!
There you go. Now you're back up. Kayla, come on. Don't go in. Don't. He's coming back. He's coming back. He's going a different. Oh! I'm gonna go get.
The kids. This is our house. Our cars, all snow. Where's the kids? Coming there. They're coming.